We're at the Asia booth, and we're talking to AB Abt, Senior Product Consultant.
Well, hi there.
Hi, AB.
Hi. Yeah, I'm Abe. I'm with AJA. We're talking with our friends at Asia Pacific Broadcasting. We're here at NAB 2026. We have some super exciting products to tell you about, and some big company news here. So let's do the company news first. First of all, AJA. We announced a few days ago we have acquired our friends at Compromato. So Compromato, the good folks that build all the software that is the underlying architecture and kind of the core of our bridge products, they're now part of AJA. So what this is going to allow us to do is, well, offer cooler stuff to our customers. We can interface directly between our customers, our friends at Compromato, and bring cooler products to market. And we're very, very excited about that.
What have you brought to NAB 2026?
Well, in that same vein, we have a new Bridge Live product here. So the latest generation Bridge Live, it's called the Bridge Live IP. A lot of people are talking about IP video nowadays, and so that's what the Bridge Live IP focuses on. So instead of SDI to various encoded IP formats, it's actually got dual 25 gigabit SFPs on there, and it'll take in SMPTE 2110 video and allow you to manipulate that in a variety of ways, transcode it to other formats for delivery to content delivery networks across your facility, across maybe lower bandwidth networks. And then it can also work on the receive end to decode compressed streams and turn them into 2110 streams to send them around your facility. And what it really is doing is kind of making this world of 2110 and all these different IP formats just more accessible and easier to use. We want it to be like, video stuff instead of like IT stuff. Because, I'm a video guy. I like to play with video signals and video cables and stuff. I don't know a whole lot about internet technology and all that. So that's kind of our goal, is to make this as simple and approachable as possible, because this IP transition is very, very exciting, but, it can be a little daunting at some times.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. How different are your products from the competition?
Well, I mean, obviously, we make our products, the way AJ's design philosophy is listening to our customers and making what they want so we can solve their problems. That's our main goal. The other thing we do is we build all of our products with a performance specification in mind, and then we price them based on the technology that goes into them. So, a lot of people will find that maybe our stuff costs a little bit more than some of the other ones, but because of that, we can really put a good, solid warranty on everything, and we really know that our stuff is going to stay in use in critical situations for a really, really long time. So we've spent 30 years plus building up a high level of trust with all of our customers, and people know that they can trust us with their video signals in the absolute most mission critical environments. So that's a real big difference with AJA. We've also got some other new cool products to talk about here too. Just in that same vein. So one of the things that AJA does is we'll always release a product, and inside that product, there might be some capabilities that are not there when we first release it. We really kind of overbuild everything so we can add features as our customers give us feedback, and then not necessarily charge for them. We just want to release firmware updates to expand capabilities. So our IP25R, it was a SMPTE 2110 to SDI and HDMI converter. Just basically like an endpoint converter for monitoring when you have a 2110 network, but you probably have SDI or HDMI monitors that you want to look at your signal on. Well, we released that at IBC 2025, and now for NAB 2026, we have an update for it that actually adds a transmit mode. So in addition to being able to do 2110 to SDI or HDMI, we can now do SDI or HDMI to 2110. So it almost acts as like a gateway to your IP world, and it really just acts like a video converter. It's very simple to deploy, it's simple to configure, and it has very, very useful tools in it that allow you to troubleshoot any problems that might be on your IP video network. So once again, it's just a very approachable piece of IP technology that works in this new frontier that we're in right now. So very excited to be offering it. And also that firmware update is available now, just like the Bridge Live IP, and just like our other new product, our OG Gen 10.